Have you ever asked yourself, who am I when I'm not being a mother, a daughter, a wife, a friend, a boss, the achiever? We wear so many hats. We carry so many responsibilities. We show up for everyone, everywhere, all the time. But beneath all these roles, ask yourself, who are you really? That question might feel really uncomfortable, but it's also where your power begins. Welcome back to another episode of the Flight to Fulfillment podcast. I'm your host Ratika Seth, your life enhancement coach and the founder of the Freedom Divas Hub. And in today's episode, we are unpacking a question that often goes unanswered for far too long. Who are you when you're not performing, pleasing, or proving anything to anyone else? So let's go there together. Why does this question matter? Well, because we often build our identity around all the roles we play. Oh, I'm a perfect mother, I'm a partner, I'm a successful professional, I'm a daughter. Well, all these roles, of course, are meaningful, of course. They are your existence. They are not the whole of you. Remember that. So when life shifts, when jobs change, when relationships end, when kids grow up, we are often left with an identity crisis and we start wondering, okay, if I am not there anymore, who am I? Who am I? When I'm not where I felt I belonged, I'm not there. So who am I? When I'm not that relationship anymore, who am I? And that, my beautiful souls, is where your real self-discovery begins. So these are 5 powerful steps to reclaim your identity beyond the roles you play in your everyday life. Firstly, acknowledge the role fatigue. You're not weak and you're not selfish for feeling exhausted, tired, and frustrated by the roles you play. You're only human. So honor yourself. Tell yourself, I honor the parts of me that feel tired from being everything to everyone all the time. Admitting is not defeat, it's liberation. Number 2, explore the you. The you that exists without performance. Ask yourself, what brings me joy when nobody is watching? What do I want to do, irrespective of whatever others say or however I'm perceived? What would I do if I did not have to be anything to anyone? What would I do? Okay, if I just had to be myself? Well, write it down. Okay, write down all the answers, journal it. I feel most like myself when? Write it down. Rediscover the you beneath all those layers that you have. Number 3, reconnect with your forgotten desires. So what you love doing the most is often thrown, under the carpet because you get so busy with life playing all your roles that you're playing. So ask yourself, or remind yourself, what did you love before the world told you what to be? What have you suppressed for the sake of being responsible? Dig into your past dreams. Dig into your past creative outlets, your passions. They are all clues for you that, my dear, this is what you need to start doing once again. So wake up, do it. Number 4, create moments of identity without a role. So practice doing something only for yourself, okay? Not for anyone else. Anyone else. Take a solo walk, join a dance class, join a music class. Start doing your aerial yoga. Start swimming. Say no to something just because you want to say no to it. Do things for yourself. Take action for yourself. These acts don't require a title. You don't need to be given an award for these. They will just reconnect you with your essence. Number 5, give yourself permission to redefine yourself. And do this often, okay? Because you're not meant to be only one version. We all change. We all grow up. If you like playing with a doll when you were 5 years of age, you don't play with a doll at 50, right? You outgrow things, you outgrow desires, you outgrow passions, you outgrow habits. So you keep growing. So just give yourself the permission to redefine yourself. Don't feel guilty redefining yourself. You're allowed to evolve. You're allowed to change. It just shows you're normal and you're growing normally. So grow out of whatever no longer fits you. We throw our old clothes, right? Whenever we lose weight or we put on weight, when those clothes don't fit us properly, we just discard those clothes. Discard whatever doesn't suit you. Discard whatever does not serve you anymore. Okay? And tell yourself, I am not just the roles that I play, I am a whole evolving human being. Embrace your existence. Respect your existence. You definitely are more than your responsibilities. You're more than your job. You're more than your relationship status. You're more than your family title. At your core, you are a human being of depth, soul, creativity, power. And when you strip away the roles, even for a moment, you meet the true version of you that's been waiting patiently to be seen. So, my beautiful listeners, if you've been feeling like you've lost yourself in all the roles that you've taken on, let this be your true reminder. You were someone before the world asked you to be everything. And that version of you is still there quietly waiting, ready to be remembered, reclaimed, and reborn. If you enjoyed this episode today, like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you the next time in my next podcast. Till then, this is me, your life enhancement coach, Ratika Seth, signing off for now and telling you this, that you need to be more than your roles, you need to be real, you need to be radiant, and you need to be you. Bye-bye.